Well, hey guys, this is my 78 Sportster, and I need to fix that today. There's a leak in my on my solenoid for my starter, and I also need to replace the starter Bendix. So let's get started. Started. I'll start by removing the battery cables, then the starter, then the solenoid housing, along with the solenoid and all the related parts. I'm removing the solenoid housing bolts here. Sorry, my big fat knee is in the way. Okay. I like this. That is going to be 1,000 times better. Okay. So there you go. This is the new one. And this is the old one. You can see this one's got like the whole gasket thing built in. I think that might cure this leak. So that has to come off of there. All right, so this is a left-hand thread. I just stuck it in the vise and it came off. I put the new Bendix on, so let's get her back in the solenoid housing. Oh. Okay. Okay. That goes on that way, right? The gear. I'm going to add just a little bit of gasket sealer here to make sure this doesn't leak again. Decided to use a little foam rubber gasket in conjunction with this new solenoid seal. Let's see if it works. Okay. You know, I just soon sit on it. Well, hey guys, that takes care of all my maintenance tasks. And here's to hoping the UPS comes through and brings my other parts so I can finish up my other bike. But got them all done, and everything went pretty well. So thank you all for watching. Appreciate it very much. Catch you on the next one. And just for fun, let's fire this thing up.